Hello students, good morning all of you, and today is my 15th online lecture class. Yesterday I told you about the exercise question of chapter 1 up to question number 3. Today I will tell you 3 more questions from chapter 1. Next question is exercise question number 4, that is the central location of India at the land of Indian Ocean is considered to considered of great significance. Why? Again listen the question. If you have a book, open it and match the questions that I am telling you. Question number 4 is the central location of India at the land of sorry at the head of Indian Ocean is considered of great significance. Why? क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग है कि जो इंडियन ओशन है वो भारत के ठीक मध्य में स्थित है और उसका बहुत बड़ा महत्व है. क्यों? The answer is, if you are listening carefully, then write the answer. The central location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean is considered of great significance because point number 1, it has given India a strategic advantage due to trans-Indian oceans routes which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia. Listen again. It has given India a strategic advantage due to the trans-Indian ocean routes which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia. Next point, this help India to establish close contact with the West Asia, Africa and Europe from the western coast and with the southeastern and East Asia from the eastern coast. Third point is the vast coastline and the natural harbour benefited India in carrying out the trade and commerce. Okay. Now the next question. Why 82°30' east has been selected as standard meridian of India? Answer is, India peninsula extent is 68°7' east and 97°25' east. The middle meridian of longitude for the above extent lies at 82°30' east. Local time lag when we move east to west to ensure a more standard time. We choose the above meridian as the standard meridian of India. It also corresponds to IST. Okay. Last question. Why is the difference between the duration of day and night, hardly felt at Kanyakumari, but not so in Kashmir. This is the inside question of a book of second page. Answer is, this happens because of the latitudinal extent of the place. Area between the tropic receives direct sun rays, and hence the time lag between day and night is hardly felt. Kanyakumari lies between equator and Tropic of Cancer. Okay, Kanyakumari lies between equator and Tropic of Cancer. Erstwhile, Kashmir lies beyond the Tropic of Cancer, that is 23 degree 30 minute north. This is about the chapter 1 question answers. This is up to chapter 1, and next day I will tell you about the question answers of chapter 2, that is the physical features of India. Okay students, thank you up to this.